Hello everybody, JRND here. I said that I'd make a video about my small puppies. I will show you right now. So I'm going to turn up the brightness. This is going to be bad quality. I'll show you one right now. What? Okay, here's one. She's running away. Okay, here's one. What are we doing here? This is Cody. Go. Cause killed me. Help me. Get me out of this screen. Cody's not a vlogger. Let's see. I'm gonna turn on the light. This one's name is Bailey. You can't know it. You can kind of see the outline of her right there. She is moving around a little bit. We're gonna try to get her out of there. Okay, we're gonna have to throw something at her to get her out of there. Oh, Bailey, come here. There. Can you guys see her? I think you can a little bit. Yeah, you can see the